Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can we back up our WordPress website within a few minutes. Here you can see this is the e-commerce website with full of product uploads and lots of pages and categories here. Now we will back up this entire website within a minutes, and for this we have to log in our WordPress dashboard. So we will go to WP admin, and now you can see here is our WordPress dashboard, and we have to install our new plugins. Click add new and write WP Vivid, search, and you can see here is the migration backup setting and WP. Now this is the developer team, WP team, and this is the original, and you can see 200k plus active installation here. Now we have to install now. Now click activate. Now here you can see this is the WP Vivid backup plugin dashboard here, and you can see lots of services here. You can backup and restore, schedule auto migration. That means you can migrate your WordPress website to another hosting or cPanel. Now we have to back up our entire website, and you can see there is lots of difference. You can see database plus files, that means it's entire website backup. And you can see WordPress files exclude database. Without database we will back up this, but we have to select this one for our entire website backup. Select database and plus files, and you can select save backups to local. That means you can download your backup to your local drive, or you can select send backup to remote storage. That means FTP server or Google Drive. Here is Dropbox, Google, Microsoft OneDrive, and lots of etc. But we will select this one, save backups to local, and we will click backup now. Now you can see this process already start. We have to wait for a few minutes for complete this process. Now you can see this progress already start 2% running time, and we have to wait for 100%. Here we go, we have complete our backup task, and you can see there is nothing downloading, but we have to download it from here. Now you can see already it's backup done, but we have to download here. Click download, and you can see there is a 2-part zip file, and we have to download 2 files here. Click download. Here you go, we have seen our files already downloaded. And if you restore this backup, you have to use this backup option, and you have to select uploaded backup and restore here. Okay, so if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.